Visual Paradigm Online Chart Maker is a great place to start when visualizing data. Log into your workspace, and you will find the chart generator under Create with AI. You can also access it from the home page under AI Tools. Scroll down to view the available chart types. Pick the one that fits your needs and start generating. For example, we select a donut chart here. By default, 3 example styles are provided for you to choose from. The AI Generation button lets you browse random topics as inspiration. You can also enter your own description. If you are unsure about what categories to use, you can ask the AI for support. Based on your problem description, the tool will suggest a set of categories. Again, the generated result is fully customizable according to your needs. Then, press the Generate Chart button. A chart along with a spreadsheet will be generated below. Please note that watermark-free exports are available for Combo Edition or above. If you realize that another chart type would suit your data better, click Switch Chart Types. Simply select a new chart type and press the Switch Type button to apply it to the same dataset. To further customize your chart, press View or Edit Chart button. You can edit the data directly by dragging segments on the chart or updating the spreadsheet. Chart styles, including color, layout, and other settings, are also fully adjustable. Once you are satisfied, export the chart as an image. Multiple image sizes are available. You can also set a custom size. Click Export to download the chart to your device. You can also save the edited chart to your workspace for future use. Opening the chart from your workspace allows you to update it anytime you need.